Hello, how to draw vanity shop drawing. Different type of the vanity I will show you. Different type of the designs. That type of design, how to we can make it shop drawing. There is an important 8 point. Follow the unit size at BOQ drawings and specification. Follow the side dimensions of MEP item. That means plumbing and electrical item. Follow the specification of the sanitary item. Keep the standard dimensions of vanity. Follow the standard fixation detail. Follow the BOQ and specification description. Respect design concept. Follow the Armangri set as per the BOQ. Each type of the designs, we can see the shop drawing. First of all, wall mounted vanity with mirror. We have the one concept drawings and key plan. That one also we want to mention. There is a two vanity, it will be coming. This is our key plan. If we have a side dimension, we want to take the side dimension from here to here. And this is a standard unit also, we want to check it. If it's possible, if you have any issues here, if you have any door clashing with anything, that one is the first point we want to check it. That one is all, it's okay. One by one, we can go the shop drawings. And if you are making shop drawing, we need a key plan and another one key plan also. Means that room basically key plan. First important point, if you have any marble top of counter, vanity counter, 2.4. If you have a length, it will be coming 2.4. We want to make it joint. And what is the specifications? That one also we want to mention, which type of the specification of the vanity we are using. And mirror also, what type of the design mirror, that one also we want to understand. This overall I will show you. This is the elevations. This is one mirror and vanity unit, section, mirror section, and to another one section also, and the blob details and mirror details, and the blob details also, another blob details. One by one we can go. This is a mirror. We want to keep it this design concept. This is a design concept, mean this lines and this lines maximum we want to make it align. That is the as per the image we can see this one is aligned. That one also we want to keep it. And another one important description. Mirror frame finishes electroplated SS. That SS it will be coming 2 mm thickness finish as per the approved sample. If you are making any vanity, any items, firstly we are making one sample. That's why we are mentioned as per the approved sample. Mirror using 6 mm thick Belgium mirror. And this countertop 20 mm thick marble. This front side is calling fascia. Fascia also using marble. And the bottom using 18 mm thick MR-MDF. Because of this is a wet area. That's why we are using MR-MDF. As per the project, this project we are using walnut veneer acrylic stain finishes. This is a finishing name, acrylic stain, and all around 5 mm thick solid edge also. That is a description. This is 2.4 is coming length. That's why here it will be coming one joint. And this is our wash basin. We want to check the specification. That correct specification items we want to put it here. There is a plumbing line and hot water and cool water and drainage water. That one also we want to show. Next we can go the plan. This is a vertical sections. 2 doors and a carcass we can see. And a top plan. We can see the horizontal sections. First of all, we can see vanity with the wash basin cutting, specification details. Also, we have the details mirror. All around we are using SS tube, and there is a one supporting also 2 mm thick, one trim also using for the supporting purpose. This tube and this trim we are making it screw like this. It will be coming the details. MR MDF for the supporting, and the split pattern method we are fixing. As per the designs, here also SS tube it will be showing. I will show you the elevations. Here, this one is a section. This section we want to use it 20 by 20 tube, SS tube, and the back side we need one support also, SS up. SS plate we are using, and the screw. Back side we can make the screw also. Our factory, we are making this all the items is 1 unit. After that, we are fixing at the site. This method, split and batten method, we are fixing. This is wash basin section. We want to keep it the standard dimension. That one also important things. Normally from the FF level to wash basin, end of the wash basin, 850. That is the standard dimensions. Depth, it will be normally, it will be coming 600. This is the standard dimensions. And 17 or 15, we want to keep it from countertop up to the wash basin. We are keeping 17 or 15 also we can keep it. There is a countertop and fascia, and everything is very clearly is mentioned, all the details of the item, vanity. And we can check how we fix it. Vanity, we are fixing method, we are using tube. MS tube support we are using. There is a one support also, MS plate also supporting, and anchor bolt with the nut and bolt. That method, fixation method. And blob details, there is a clearly mentioned what type of the metal support. Metal support means MS tube support we are using for the fixing vanity. The door fixation hinges fixation method. And the carcass also veneer acrylic stain finishes using, and the shutter also same, but all the edges we want to show solid solid wood. Here also one lipping, here also lipping. This is a almost all the vanity, the same details it will be coming. We can go next vanity. Different type of one vanity. You can see the elevations, one fascia, and different type of wash basin also. There's a mixer also, different type, mirror. Two 2.1 length it will be coming. That's why it will be coming two pieces. And the bottom also another one 18 MDF shelf also, it will be showing marble type. We can put cloth or something, we can put it here, this port. And the mirror also, mirror all around the mirror. SS also using all around the mirror. Mirror section details. MDF and adhesive and mirror. Here the corners, edge area, SS you are using. Is all the details we want to follow as per the BOQ. That is the important points from the starting I explained to you. That is the 8th point is the important. As per the BOQ, we can follow all the details. The standard height, every standard height also we want to follow, every vanity. Only fixation, only it will be coming different as per the designs. Other all cases is same. Here also using 2. And this is a fixation also I will explain to you. Marble countertop, and there is one plywood countertop. Firstly, we are fixing one EMS tube, fixing in the wall. After that, we are putting one plywood, and plywood above putting adhesive, and above we will fix it marble. But here more supporting purpose, we are make it one another support also, double method also here is using. And before I tell you first vanity, the same fixation method, all the mirrors. Previous vanity we are mentioning this location is 17, but here is 15. This is a depend design concept. Another type of one vanity. Standard dimensions we want to keep it. This full height mirror and vanity fixation detail is almost the same. This is the images. This under counter type wash basin is using under counter type. .600 width is using, and if what is the joint area, also this is a 2.790, that is a side dimensions is lengthy type vanity. That's why there is a 3 pieces is mentioned. Is another one important things. Previous one there is no LED light, but here all around there is showing LED light also. That means this all around there is showing LED light, not all around, only downside is showing LED light. Six mm thick Belgium mirror fixing with adhesive and MRM def backing. All around the thickness also is mentioned. Polished electroplated. But all the descriptions we want to write in very properly. And acrylic stain with marble fascia top. Fascia means this location we are calling fascia. This there is a wooden counter shelf. There is a what is the design also is mentioned. Here there is one fascia area solid wood oak. I will show you the details. This carcass backside 9 mm MDF UC, and here different what is 18 mm MDF with fascia area solid wood oak wood also, oak wood strip also using. That is the different. Fixing method we are using MS tube fixation method is using as I shown the screen. And this counter details also it will be coming like this, and handle like this method handle also using. This almost fixation method is similar, only some designs only changes. And this is another type of vanity. As per the this one side is coming marble finishes. Here this location it will be coming, top is coming marble. Here we are using resin, one another one material resin 2 mm thick. If you have any doubt we can google it, you can understand what is the resin. And previously what I tell you, the same description and everything is clearly mentioned. If you have any round type also we can use it as MS, we can round it, no more issues. Oh, all the MEP, for the MEP service purpose, we want to make it one cutout also. I forget tell you that one also very important. For the MEP purpose, we need one cutout. This doors also previous one. What is previous one? The same details. here what is the different here? There is showing one strip. As per firstly, I will show you that image. There is a one groove type door. There is showing how we will make it that groove. I will show you MDF, and we are make it one groove 5 by 5 or 3 by 3. All the fixation method is same, and handle and fascia, everything is the same. And the next one is another type. There is a here it will be coming curve, and here also it will be coming curve. I will show you how we will make it the section. This is our car case. We are using here bended plywood. See that plywood is coming 80 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm bended plywood is available on market. And this door is push to open type door we are using. And the typical dimensions we want to keep it, and the hinges also. This corner we are using another type one hinges. All the specifications are same. Writing plywood and solid surface, what type of using, all the descriptions you can see. And there is a leg also different, brushed electroplated SS leg, and finishes also is mentioned. Normal, almost everything is same type of section, but here it will be showing the leg. That's why we don't have any MS tube, and this is a not wall mounted. This is a floor mounted type vanity. And a mirror also, mirror all around mirror frame is little different details. Otherwise, if you are make it like this detail, nobody can see the inside. Different model of this finishes. Door drawer, it will become a different model. There is a one groove, and all around there is one frame also. I will make it the section. I will show you. SS2, and we are welding one plate also, SS plate, and we are make it one double like this method, fixation method. And this leg also SS tube leg is using. And this is another type. Both side also is coming arc shape, and wall mounted means pre-standard type. Leg also using one SS leg. this corner location bended plywood with solid wood. Fascia area solid wood. Making production is little difficult, but this look like is very nice. The handles also